How to change game mode on Fall Guys. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I am going to guide you how to change game mode on Fall Guys. Changing game mode on Fall Guys is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open Fall Guys, launch the Fall Guys game on your platform, navigate to the main menu. Once the game loads, you will be at main menu screen. Select the game mode option. Look for the show selector or play button usually located at the center or bottom of the screen. Choose your game mode. You will see a list of available game modes such as Solo, compete alone against other players, Squad Show, play in team with friends or random players, Duo, play in teams of 2 players, Special Events, limited time mode with unique gameplay or rewards. Confirm your selection. After choosing the desired mode, confirm your choices by pressing the corresponding button like confirm or ready. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.